A new bicycle link connecting Trieste Airport to its transport hub was inaugurated Thursday in Ronchi dei Legionari. The project improves access between cycling routes, rail services, and the airport, with officials describing it as a step toward more sustainable transportation in the region.
Tratto di ciclabile che consente di seguire la statale 14 ma di collegare direttamente l'ingresso e l'uscita.
Well, it is completing our infrastructure. We have this cycleway that is part of the Trieste Venice cycleway, the FVG2. And for us, it represents the completion of a path that we have started 10 years ago. So we have now all the transport facilities available in one place. And cycling is now a mega trend, and we'd like to be on this.
Abbiamo migliorato e reso più green l'illuminazione. Direi che oggi è un giorno veramente bello e importante per il nostro territorio.